Hello, this is Natasha, and welcome to my channel, and welcome back if you've been here before. Well, makeup is contagious, and fashion is a passion. Now, today what I'm showing you is my second leg of my haul from Sephora for the spring sale that they had. And I am Rouge, like I said before, so therefore I got 20% off everything. So this is some of the stuff that I bought in the second leg of my ordering from them. And right here, let's start with this. I got the Barberry Her, I think it is. Let me check. Can I see the small ass writing? Yes, I do believe this is the Barberry Her. And it smells good. I tried it out. It smells really good. So, keeping with this, let's go with Anastasia of Beverly Hills. Whoa. And this is what this one looks like. A great travel size palette. That's mostly why I got it. So when I'm traveling, I have it with me. And I don't have to worry too much about it getting broken up because it didn't cost that much. I mean, it was a pretty penny. Don't get me wrong. But compared to some of these other palettes I'll be having, that one is not expensive like the other ones. Alright, so what we have here is Pat McGrath, Star Wars. And this is what it looks like. And this is the palette itself. Isn't it cute? Alright, let's see if I can open this with one hand. There we go. Thank God I didn't even put my finger through it. And that's what it looks like. Alright, let's go to the next one. So the next one is also another Anastasia. And this is what it looks like. Now, what palette is this one? Let me look and see. Wait, that purple got me calling. So that looks. It's like a purplish pink though. Yeah, it looks purplish pink to me. Let me get this to close. Alright. So we have Natasha Denona. Wait, the one for the Anastasia, let's see what this is. Oh, okay, this is the Noir, and however you say it in French. The new one. Right? So when I get the next one, I shouldn't be too confused. Right? Maybe. Alright, so this is the Natasha Denona. So, look at that. Isn't that pretty? She does some really good makeup palettes. And I like her little 4 palette or 5 palette ones also. But I really buy them. And then when I do buy them, those two are great for traveling. Because all you've been, if it gets broke, it's only like $25, $27. Not that much. So you can't be having a heart attack over breaking something that's not that expensive. Alright, so I went to so I bought something from Seoul De Janeiro. And this is their newest scent. And also newest big bottle of lotion. And this does smell good. And here's a little spoon that goes with it. The little surfboard that you scoop it out with. Okay. And here's the box. The box. Alright. Now, I did not get this from Sephora. I got this directly from the site itself. And as you can see, that's the name of the company. And this is the perfume itself. Oh, don't drop it. And I'm dropping it. Alright. Let's close that up. Alright, so what else I got from Sephora? was the Rare Beauty concealer, brightening concealer. And this is the 500, which is I think it's deep dark. But this is a refill because I already have one that I'm still using. But because it was on sale, why not get an extra one? And this is Replica by Mason. And this one is the Jazz Club. It smells so good. Man, do this thing smell so good. I thought it was gonna be male, and had the male scent to it, I was gonna give it to my son, but it had like a female scent to it. It smells so good. I haven't been in a jazz club in years since I was pregnant with my son, so I don't know remember what it's supposed to smell like. But that there smells good. Okay. So next we got the Killian Apple Brandy on rocks, and here's the bottle. Isn't it pretty? It's cute. And this smells, it's very strong. So all you need is maybe 2-3 pumps at best, because the smell is overpowering. But it's a good overpowering because it smells really, 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 really good. Alright, so also here's the It Superhero Mascara. Now how you see it here is how it does. It takes your lashes from looking dinky to spectacular. It puts some volume into your lashes. That's why I bought this, because I tried it by accident because couldn't find my Better Than Sex mascara because I had rearranged some of my drawers. Well, I had my son rearrange one of them, and he just threw everything in there. So I got to go through everything and undo it. But I went through it trying to look and could not find it. So the Better Than Sex mascara. So I went ahead and tried the It mascara. Baby, this crap is off the chain. This is really, really, really good. So I'm happy to take out a new one. Alright. Last but not least, as they would say, is the Juliet Has a Gun. And as you can see, it's the perfume sampler, what they call a discovery set. So it got a big Juliet Has a Gun. And it's got the smaller ones that goes along with it, like the musk and the, what is that? I can't barely see them. Or invisible musk, invisible. It has a lot of the smaller ones. Well, not too small. These are actually travelable. And it gives you a chance to try out all the range of the perfumes that's in there. Therefore, you can pick out what you want. So, I look forward to trying this. But I really liked the one for the Juliet Has a Gun. The bigger pack, because I already have the bigger bottle and I wanted one to travel with. So this should come in very handy. Okay, with that being said, depending on when you're watching this, you have a good morning, good afternoon, or good night. And God bless. Bye.